What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be just an eyeshadow tutorial, show you guys how I got this look. I did use a combo of two Kylie palettes. I went into this totally not knowing what I was gonna do. I had like the foundation of my makeup on and just no eyes, and I was like, wow, I'm ready for something dramatic today, so that's what I did. I love the way it turned out. It's super pink. Totally what I was going for. I got my inspiration by Glamour by Suzy, I believe that's her name. Found her on Instagram yesterday when Jaclyn Hill posted a story that she had, and I was just completely amazed by her makeup and how talented she is and how gorgeous she is. So she had a plum look on there, and I was like, wow, I could totally go for a dramatic like pink look, and that's what I got, and I love it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and you want to see what I used, go ahead and keep watching. Let's get into the video. Alright, so here is what I'm thinking. I've got two Kylie Jenner palettes. The Chill Baby palette. So both a little bit old, but they've got the pretty colors that I'm looking for. So, and I also have the You're So Money Baby palette. This is what this one looks like. Lots of pinks, glitteries, and then the Chill Baby palette looks like this. So I feel like I really want something like purpley kind of to go along with the lips. I really don't have this planned out, so we're just kind of gonna see where we go with this. I'm going to take Work For It down there and just go ahead and buff that into the crease and above. Make that our transition shade. Thank goodness it's nice and light. That's what I wanted. Go ahead and get the other eye. This look, it was totally, I was literally just sitting here looking in the mirror and was like, I need to just do some great eyeshadow looks today. Something like with a lot of work put into it. Oh, I've been craving it, so here we are. My camera's in like a little bit of a different angle than normal. Like I have to look up to see in the mirror and see exactly what I'm doing. So you see me doing that, that's why. I'm just gonna kind of like pull the eyeshadow up and out a little bit. I don't want the standard, you know, arch. I want it pulled out a bit. I'm already like obsessed, I can't wait. Does anyone else get this giddy when they're doing their makeup? Trying to think if I should go like real purple real quick or grab this orangey tone. I'm gonna try the orangey-ish because it looks like a fairly light shade, and see if I can just slowly start to transition into like some deep something. Let's see. Oh, yes. That's what we wanted. Alright, that's perfect. Cool. I was a little worried. I feel like it's so much better to start light and then get bold because there's no going back. So this is going to be just mostly in the crease. And then it is just going to blend into that first transition shade. So once we get this on both eyes, we are then going to go back in with that first brush that we used in that first color and go ahead and blend these two together so seamlessly. Oh, I can't wait. I'm already getting some fall vibes right here. Oh my gosh, today and yesterday it's like literally mid 90s and I can't. I feel like we're all in this fall mood and the weather's like, yeah, think again. Let me just turn it up a notch so you don't forget that it's still summer. I'm like, okay. So I'm taking that first brush that I used and just blending them together. I did not add any product onto the brush. We are just blending together. The quality of the Kylie palettes, seriously, I love. They're good. If you have not seen Kylie Jenner's makeup, go follow Kylie Cosmetics. And you are going to be amazed. She doesn't even have a makeup artist do it. I'm sure she does sometimes, but like, she's so good at doing her own makeup. All right. We're gonna go a little bolder, and I am going to now go in with that deep pink color. Got this little fluffy guy, and I'm gonna go in with that. Just so you guys know, pretty much all the brushes I'm going to be using and that I do normally use are Morphe brushes. They are affordable, key thing there. They are affordable. The other thing being they are good quality. Seriously. Their eyeshadow palettes, just pretty much like all their stuff, is good quality for good price. Like, I believe in their brushes 1000%. So if you need new brushes or need a recommendation, go to Morphe. They have sets. That's usually what I do, is buy the sets, and they're very, very well priced. So I'm taking the second brush and second color that I use and blending these two together, the one that I just put on and then the one before that, and it is blending beautifully. Again, I'm just like not adding product but kind of pulling the color out a little bit to really elongate that eye. I wish I had some music in the background, but you know, I still use my phone to edit, so I'm sorry for the silence, but I'm loving this. So I just went in with this one, and I'm going to just pick an even deeper pink, which is going to be from the Chill Baby palette, this one, and I'm going to focus it right out there with an even smaller fluffy Morphe brush. Go ahead and just, it's going to be like a V shape, just like that, and dab it in. And then I think we are going to, man, I don't know if I kind of want to make this an all matte look. I kind of want to add some shimmer. What do we do? And since my concealer and everything is already done, I'm actually going to take not the deepest shade that I used, but the one before that on that palette, and I'm going to put it on the lower lash line. Almost just lost all the palettes. That would have been a rough one. And I'm going to put it on the lower lash line just to connect everything. If you haven't seen me do an eye look before, this is what I like to do with literally every single eye look, because it connects it all together. Just connects it and makes it look seamless. Let me get it a little bit closer if you need to, and you don't want to get yourself in the eye. Pull it down, go across. I do that sometimes because I have contacts and I really don't want the product just like right into my eyes. Always feel free to like touch up as you go. So I might have said that I was already done with the second shade, but I might go in there and just like pop a little bit more in to really make that look. So I'm pulling it out, you can see a little bit past my eye to again elongate. Shout out to Suzy for inspiring me to go crazy with my eyes today. You the girl. In the comments, I would love to know if you guys also watch Suzy. Again, I literally subscribed to her yesterday, but I can't stop. She's so pretty, and her videos are so mesmerizing on Instagram. Especially, I'm like, how do you look? How does one look so perfect? Alright, so I just decided that we are going to do some shimmer. There's like literally so many shades to pick from. How will I ever choose? I don't know. These are looking a little bit more sparkly, so I think I'm gonna go with this palette. Just tell myself I'm going to narrow them down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go in with this baby pink shade, hopefully to help it pop. It's called 22. This was her birthday palette. I'm just going to use my finger and put it on there. As you can see, it's already doing its thing. Some shimmers you're going to need to either put down concealer first or a primer to really get it to stick, but hers just do the job. They just do it. So I am gonna get fallout because hers are a little bit chunkier. I'll go ahead and just wipe that away when I'm done. So what I'm doing is literally just packing on just a couple layers to really make it shine. I'm going to take the brush that I was using before with the deepest shade and just go in again and go over it a little bit so they just seamlessly blend together and it doesn't diffuse that bold pink that I had going on. Let me know down in the comments if you are now inspired to do something bold. Doesn't have to be pink, but something bold instead of your everyday quick look. Crazy how I went from my quick 10-minute, hair and makeup videos to we're doing full glam today. So you just need to have both in your life, I swear. I'm going to take this very light shade and pop it in the inner corner. See if that one picks up. Not bad, not bad. Ooh, I like it. I'm telling you, her stuff is quality. At least her eyeshadows, I love her eyeshadows. I'm going to take that same one and put it on the brow bone, and then I will go ahead and blend that out as well. Do I put on lashes? Do I put on eyeliner? Or do we call it a day? Alright, so we are back. We have got eyeliner on, clearly got lashes on. I was like, do I put on lashes? Is it gonna take away from this look, or is it gonna make it? I don't know. So you guys saw it with and without. I love how it turned out. I love the pink, and it's not like super dramatic pink and in your face, but it's gorgeous. The Kylie eyeshadows do not disappoint. These Tarte eyelashes do not disappoint. Still getting used to them, still new at them, so if they're not perfect, sorry about it. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.